Alright, hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. I'm in my basement going into my laboratory here where we keep the sump pump and water filtration system and what have you. And what I'm going to do is install this Watchdog water alarm. The link will be in the description of the video. It's on Amazon. I think it was like 15 bucks. So we're just going to get down on the ground and hook this thing up. Here it is again. I got some Duracell batteries, some water to test it, and my scissors to open this thing up. There it is. And there's the instructions. Looks like there's a battery compartment. There's a tab here. Ooh. Oh, this is the sensor right here. I see. You can just put this on the floor, or you can put the sensor on this cord anywhere you want. And I am going to put it near my sump pump. Like that. I can't tell you the last time I used a 9-volt battery. That's so it should be hot. Take a little bit of water. Let's put a little water right here just to see which way it flows. And then as soon as you hit this sensor, it's supposed to go off. Let's see. Yep. So that works. I'm worried about my sump pump because it's old and it runs for my house and the neighbors' houses because of the way the property's sloped. So if it starts leaking, we're going to hear it pretty fast. So that's it. That was a mini test. I'm going to just drop this down into my well pump tank above the water line when it fills up to engage, and then hopefully never ever hear it. That's where I ended up mounting it at. Hit the like and subscribe button if it helped you out. Piece of cake.